Hey, earlier it was still and it was hot and pretty miserable, and all of a sudden it is windy, and I keep hearing stuff hitting the top of my RV. My flag, thank you.
We're not supposed to lay on the ground, right?
Yeah, thank you. Apparently the wind blew my flag off. I don't know what keeps hitting the top of the RV. Let's see, branches or just what? Anyway, it got super windy. I got about to fall off this table. I'd come out and all about. I wonder if this is something that's normal. I don't know. Anyway, as I'm out here, I'll show you around this park. Not real sure of the name of it. When am I ever sure of it? Oh, Eagle something, I don't know. Anyway, there's the office over here. I'll walk over and show you give you a little tour. If you can't hear me, sorry, because it's the wind. Wow. So, we have restrooms, full service restrooms, which are nice. Let's see if there's somebody in here. Nope. We've got 2 showers back there and the 3 stalls, sinks. Really nice, really clean, always unlocked. There is a barbecue area over there. They have barbecues for people to use. The office is over here. Welcome to the Eagle RV Park, Thermopolis, Wyoming. Super, super nice guy in there. Very helpful. Look, they've even got a kids park area for kids to play, which is nice. And there were some fellows over here earlier playing horseshoes. I'm not sure how many spots they have, but they do have quite a few, as well as having the little cabin areas. They've got several of those along the perimeter is where those are, I think, for the most part. There was a fella, when I got here yesterday, this guy just all appeared out of nowhere, and he was all excited, and I was kind of like, what's going on with this guy? There's here, one of the little cabins, or there's 2 of them. Anyway, this guy was all excited, and he goes, I used to have a TrailManor when I first started my travels, yada yada yada. Anyway, he was telling me about his TrailManor, and he was excited. Almost like he was sorry he got rid of it. Anyway, they've got a tent area back there. And they've got full hookups. They don't have enough room when you pull in to leave your rig hooked up to your truck. So they just had me park, and I see they're having other people do it. They pull and park their rig one place and park their vehicle in another place. Anyway, so yeah, the wind just went crazy here. I was sitting in there editing a video and heard all the noise. Wow. Hope that tree doesn't fall on me. pretty crazy. I don't know if this is normal or not. It smells good. Somebody's barbecuing. This guy's trying to figure out what's going on too, I think. So there's a cabin back there, and there's 2 cabins over here, I think. Yeah, there's 2. Pretty nice. Gosh, somebody's cooking. It smells so good. Anyway. Well, you know, I turned that light on last night, and it didn't come on, and now it's on. What the heck? Yeah, it was so hot in here. Earlier I got in the truck and got the, I don't know what that's called, put it in the front window. Oh, and I put my Montana and my Wyoming stickers up. But anyway, I put that stuff up, I can't think of the name, because the sun was beating in through that window, and golly, it was hot. Anywho. Alright, well, rain. No. Just super windy all of a sudden. Anyway. Yeah, so I'm working on a video. My cousin took me over to the hot springs this morning. And wow, it was pretty cool. Got lots of video of that. Anyway. Alright, talk to you later. Toodles.